What is up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. Thank you for tuning in to another video. Today we are going to hop on my bike. That's right, the Victory Highball, and we are going to take a ride. I got it set up so I can put the GoPro on the top of my helmet, and we are going to go. I got to go to the shop. I got some work to do, so we are going to go to the shop and get some stuff done. So let me get suited up and then we'll head that way. Well guys, made it back to the shop, and now I'm going to get started. And I went and grabbed some front brake pads. This needs some front brake pads. They were saying the upper front ball joints were bad, but they weren't, right? But yet the brakes are bad. They're like pretty near wore out. Like, I'll try and show you here real quick. Let me get the backpack off. I'll show you here if I can. Take longer than I should, but okay, let's try and get this. Okay, so just an idea so you understand like how they, I don't know how they missed it, right? Like they say a ball joint's bad, but yet the brakes are, you know, the ball joint wasn't bad, but the brakes were. Okay, so there's what a brake pad's supposed to be, the thickness. Okay, so hopefully you can get a good look at that. And I'm going to show you what the brake pads that are on it are. They're like half of that. They're half of that. And, you know, but yet they missed that and said the ball joint was bad. That wasn't bad. And that's what's happening around here lately is shops are basically taking people's money and, you know, telling them they need stuff that they don't really need, right? Like, it's sad, but it's the way it's going. So, anyways, I'm going to get this done, and we'll catch you guys soon. Alright guys, so as you see, I'm all done here. I got rid of the truck. The truck is gone. Work is all done for the day. I am going to head right now back to the house because I'm hungry and I need to eat. So let's get suited up and get going back to the house. Alright guys, so I made it back home. I got washed and cleaned up. We're going out to the mother-in-law's for supper. It's her birthday today, so we're gonna head out there for supper. But hopefully you enjoyed this video. If so, give it a thumbs up. And if you're new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you on the next one.